Yo, what's going on again? We back again with another banger. Yeah, so it's your boy Wizy man, and I'm back again with another video. So today I want to talk about why I stopped trading news, right? So as you all know, guys, I loved trading news. I used to trade news almost every single news, right? But I actually stopped. I don't trade news anymore, right? So, and I'm actually going to explain to you the reason why I actually stopped. I don't trade news anymore, and I don't trade using indicators, right? So, but now I'm only trading price action, and also I only trade um normally, right? So I don't trade the news, right? So now let me explain to you guys the reason why I actually stopped trading news, right? So the reason why I stopped the trading news, the first reason is you remember guys, like if you've been following me on YouTube, I actually posted a strategy called previous, right? Previous, actual and a previous, like how to read the news, right? So that was a back in maybe 2020 or 2021, if I'm not mistaken, right? So back then, that strategy was actually doing great. The strategy was killing it every news, and I've been posting here on this YouTube. If you've been following every news, so out of like a 12 news, we was like out of 12 news, we was winning something like eight, right, and I lose the rest. So yeah, the strategy was actually working nice. But last year, from not last year, like from 2023, at the end of 2023, that strategy was not working at all. It was actually working, but the market was not following that strategy. So, and that's when like I started feeling like something is off. I start feeling like when I trade, right, out of like let's say out of 10 news, we was gonna lose maybe eight and win two, right? So, and that thing was actually fucking up with my mind. It was actually fucking up in my mind because I could actually like trade it manually, and then and then donate all the money during the news. You understand? So that thing I didn't like it, and it was actually not good in the long run at all. So I had to actually stop. I had to quit trading news. That was the first decision I did. I don't trade news anymore. So and if you're actually doing good guys in price action, you're actually trading, right, and you are making profits, I don't think if it's actually a good thing to trade the news, right? Because at the end of the day, you're actually going to be donating your money in a news. The news has a lot of hype, and a forex and a hype is two different things. So you can't just have hype in a forex. Forex needs you to cool down, to be down. You understand? So you don't have to. And then the news is like too much hype, and nowadays, like everyone, like when it's during the news, everyone is just gonna be like, "Hey, news, news, news," right? And if you actually think about it, news is always maybe move 100 pips, 200, 300, right? And that's so fast. Now imagine you're actually in and you lose all your accounts in just like a few minutes, right? And news, I just feel like now is not predictable to me, right? It's not predictable anymore. Maybe if there is someone who actually knows how to trade it right now, I'm not actually talking about everyone, but for me, it's not predictable anymore. So I'm actually only trading manually, right? I'm only trading manually at the moment. So I stopped trading news, right? So that's just again FX Weezy news. There's no news for me. So and that's why you can see like lately I was not posting anything related to news, and also I was not even doing any video about news. And if you actually like in my free telegram group, you can see that we actually not trading news any whatsoever. So I'm only trading real trading, not news. Gambling. News right now is kind of like gambling, so that's why we don't want to trade news anymore. So now I don't trade indicator with indicators anymore. So why? Why? Yeah. So now remember, guys, forex is journey, right? Forex is journey, and when you actually like trading, you get to like to actually pick a lot of things, trading with different things, different pairs, different instruments, different pairs, like I said. so and a different strategies, right? So but it comes to a point where you don't actually need to trade all the pairs. You don't have to trade all the pairs. You don't have to trade it with a hundred of strategies. You only need a one strategy and one pair, right? So it comes to a point where I just choose the reverse a reversal, the trend reversal. That's what I trade actually. Trend reversal, and the pair I actually choose to trade gold XAU USD. That's the only pair that I'm actually focusing on. So if you've been actually following my videos, then me on my Telegram group, then you know what I'm saying, and then you know what's going on, man. And we're actually killing it every day in a premium group, right? So which is 100% free, so you don't have to worry about the payments, or you don't worry about I don't have money, or no. Man. I don't sell anything now. Let me repeat: I don't sell signal, I don't sell news, I don't sell coach, I don't sell anything. So everything about me is free, guys. I'm actually trading. I get whatever I get in the market. I don't care how much I'm gonna get as long as I'm profitable. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, this thing is the competition is for myself. You know what I'm saying? It's not about proving someone like, oh, nah, it's not about proving anything, guys. It's actually be free as a human being, and apart from Forex, guys, there is a life. You understand? There is a life. See, but right now I'm about to go out. You see, that's life apart from Forex, so you don't have to, you gotta live in the moment. So you don't have to be um doing things to kind of like compete with people. So yeah, Forex is about freedom, guys. The freedom that's we all are looking for. You understand? So once you actually get the strategy, the pair, and everything, when you're profitable, and that's the only thing that you need, right? So and the money is actually gonna follow. So that's just it, guys. And that's the main reason why I stopped trading news, right? I stopped trading news. I stopped trading with indicators. I stopped trading with indicators. I stopped trading news. So now I'm only trading what price action. Price action. And then my strategy is a trend reversal. You know what I mean? I'm just saying that because that's what I just imagine. That's what I trade. But I'm actually gonna, like I said, I'm back on YouTube, so I'm gonna be uploading here. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how I take my trade, and I'll be break down everything that I do. Because my strategy is one of the simplest strategy under the sun. It's actually a very simple strategy where you actually have to just like, just wait and plug and play. You know what I mean? Hey, now it's actually a price action. So you need to check the market when the market is going up. Just to remember that's the nature of the market. When the market is up, we sell. When it's down, we buy, right? So, and my strategy actually knows when the market is not going up. That's just much the strategy that I have, right? So, and if you're actually subscribing on this YouTube, trust me, I promise you actually benefit a lot because I will be uploading everything, right? So, I just wanted to make that video, guys, just to make you guys understand because I know some of you guys knows me as a news trader, king of news. I've been killing news back to back. And now maybe you're wondering like, hey, what happened to FX news? Why you don't trade the news anymore? That's just what happened, guys. I stopped trading news because it's no longer beneficial. It's no longer benefiting me, you know. And that's why I stopped it. And it was actually taking all my money. Just imagine I was trading like from Monday to Thursday, and now I'm in a profit. I went during the news, and then I would lose everything in just one click, 1 minute. So which is don't make sense at all, man. It doesn't make sense. So I had to stop. I had to stop. So yeah, just let me know down below, man, in the comment section how news has been treating you. Let me know if you've been trading news lately, and what did you learn about news so far, right? So that and somebody else can learn down below in the comment section, because that's just what I can say. News is actually fucking up with your brain, just making your brain race, chasing quick money. That's just it. You're actually chasing like a quick cash in a few minutes, in 1 minute, and you end up donating all your money in a market, and then you gonna start thinking like you are not a good trader while you are. So just make sure you avoid news at all costs. That's what I can say. Not trade during London session, because most of news, if you are trading USD, most news that always happen during London session, during New York session, and those news are always around 14:30 South African time, right? So South African time. So and that's just yeah, that's 14:30 SA standard time, right? So, and just make sure that you actually avoid that moment. It's actually better to start the trading around 3 p.m. Understand? 3 p.m. So afternoons, that's what I mean. Or you can just wait for New York, New York cash to open. That space. You know what I mean? So and that's when it's actually a good time to trade because there is no news. The momentum is good and everything is just perfect to trade. You understand? So yeah, that's just it. Yeah, that's just it. I hope you understand the reason why I actually stopped trading news, and now I'm fully focused on the price action. And lately, thank God, man, I thank God, price action has been actually working very good. And I'm seeing the result, man. And if you're actually in a VIP group, then you can actually comment down below just to let people know what we're doing. The VIP is 100% free, guys. Like I said, 100% free. No shady things, no charging. You know what I mean? So if people charge you for the signal, I feel like it's not a good thing. You understand? If someone knows how to trade, why would they charge you? You know what I mean? If I know how to trade, right? I don't know why would I charge you to actually pay me for the signal? Why would I charge you to teach you? Okay, teaching it actually makes sense. If someone actually like I say, okay, yeah, I wanna learn from you. After seeing like what you're doing, and then they wanna learn from you. They propose you. They buy your time. That makes sense because someone to leave what they're doing, like me, to leave what I'm doing just to sit down so that I can coach someone. Yeah, I never thought about that, but of course you'll have to pay for my time. So just think about this time right now. I want to go out, then I have to sit down to teach someone, right? Yeah, but that's different. But if someone charging you for call for signal, nah, I don't think that's cool, man. That's cool. So, and for me, at the moment, I don't have time, guys. I don't have time to be charging people. The only thing I'm doing is just what I'm trading. When I see a signal, when I see a trade, I copy that and I send in a VIP group, right? It's called the VIP group because it's actually a very nice group, more than every group that you're actually paying for. And all services are free, 100% free. You can just like click the link down below in the description right now. By the time we are talking, just click the link, go there and go get money, right? Know what I mean? And there's no hype in the group, man. There's no hype. You won't see those kind of screenshots trying to make and that's one thing I actually limit. I don't want to send screenshots, start showing. No, no, no. All those things that actually gonna give you pressure in life. Just start feeling like doing something that you're not supposed to. Understand, gang? So yeah, that's just it, man. That's just that. I think that's the end of this video. If you actually wanna be a part of our community, our Telegram group, you can actually go ahead and join, guys. It's actually free. Like I said, 100% free. You don't have to pay. Understand, again? You don't have to pay anything, man. FX Wizy, it's your boy, man. Your boy FX Wizy. I'm back on YouTube like I never left. You know what I mean? I'm back like I never left. I'll be doing some outside videos, guys. Let me know. Should I be doing outside videos? I'll be doing outside videos too as well, just to show you, what's going on in my life sometimes, because I have a life apart from trading, guys. And I just realized you actually have to live life while you're trading. You don't have to just like focus on trading now. You know what I mean? Just once in a while, go outside, kick it, have good time. That's the freedom that we need. That's the freedom. You go out and you you rewind, because tomorrow the market is open. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I will see you again on the next video.